I've gotten a mic, as you can tell. I don't. This is mainly gonna be me. Hold on. I gotta make. I gotta do privacy settings. Be right. BRB. Do not show all folders. Okay. Because we're gonna be going through files a lot. All right. This seems very, very dumb. All right, but that's basically how I'm building it.
That. So now we're going to start doing the stamina code. So underneath this, we're going to come down, right click and add a custom event, naming this one drain stamina. So we'll do the draining first. So since we're now doing the stamina, we also need a stamina variable. So in the bottom left, we're going to hit the plus variable once again, naming this one, as you may have guessed, stamina. Then we're going to change this from a boolean to be an integer. You can use a float if you want to, but I'm going to leave it as an integer just to keep it as a whole number.
So what I'm trying to do is fix it. Hold on. I'm wondering if it's something in the movement. That's what I'm wondering. Where the hell? You know, I wonder. While I'm doing this, I wonder what is the most weirdest thing y'all have seen? Like, where the hell is the chat? Okay. Event graph, is that fucking, what is that? Drain stamina? Question mark. Yeah.
Then out of this subtract node, we're going to get a clamp integer with the minimum value being 0, and maximum we're going to right click, promote to variable, naming this max stamina. And then what the clamp is doing is it is preventing this value from going below the minimum and above the maximum.
Wait. I hope I'm not being dumb as hell. So, this is printing something. Let me see. What if I just... What if... Just potentially. Just potentially. No. No. Why would it work? Why would it work? I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. Hold on. We'll just
Now,
play-
as we're
play with it.
draining here, we're only caring about the minimum. So essentially, we can continue draining the stamina, but it
Yeah.
will not go below 0.
Alright.
So let's say you have 3 stamina, and you're subtracting by 5 each time.
That's not that much.
We obviously don't want the stamina to go to -2. So what it's going to do instead is just cap out at 0. So it will continue going down until it reaches 0, which is then perfect and what we want. And after this, all we want to do is now actually just set the stamina again. So hold down Alt, drag in the stamina, connect it into the custom event,
Alt
and
to
also into
set,
the return value of the
control is
clamp.
got it.
So now we're actually setting the stamina as well. So this is how we're going to be draining our stamina. So that's perfect. That's technically all we need to do. However, what you also want to do is stop the player sprinting automatically.
Wait a fucking minute. I'm gonna kill somebody. Ah! Okay. I've spent fucking days troubleshooting this, and the ones I fucking get it is on Steam. Oh fuck, I accidentally muted my mic. The one time, oh my god, witness my stupidity. Yeah, live stream it, bro. But why don't it work? Because if a move... Question, hold on, wait a minute. Fuck off. Not y'all, but what if I just yoink and zarpable zebra babble? No. Well, okay, so that singular if statement just breaks it. So if I... Let's just see how this breaks necessarily. Let's just see how it breaks necessarily. This... break pin linked to stamina. Huh? 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 You see 31, 32? 32? Why the hell? What do I have? What do I have? Print string. What are you printing? Oh, stamina. Holy hell. I forgot about that. I wanna see. I wanna love. Alrighty. Almond milk. Don't judge me. I'm fucking lactose intolerant. I fucking hate it. Love cheese and all that. Thought about getting lactase milk, but I like almond milk more. Also, I haven't tried it. But I could probably just get lactase pills for cheaper and just like enjoy a wider variety. Also, because I think it makes the milk sweeter because of lactase. Fucking breaks down lactose because it's an enzyme to fucking, break it down. Break it down now. Stamina drain, stamina drain, stamina drain, stamina drain, stamina drain, stamina drain, stamina. Why did I take so fucking long? Wait, did I fix the bug? Did I fix the bug? Okay, so the initial problem is fucking back. Am I moving? I want it to be before this, though. Because in this, logically, like, it does nothing back here. I would want it before the set. So realistically, I'd want it even before it even prints the message of... Oh, caps lock. Whoopsie. Well, it don't matter. So... if it equals 0... Wait. What? So if the access value equals 0... So if there's no input... if false... So if there... Okay, I'm not gonna... because I might be fucking this up. Honestly? I probably am. But, fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Well, I don't know what I was expecting. I don't understand. So, bring back here. Get over here, project settings. Input, 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 action mappings, access mappings. So it's -1. So it's 1 through -1. So if I might not actually add controller support. So it's if it's 1 or -1. So if it's 1 or -1, I'm gonna add an or here. Or if it's this or that, break pin. I just realized what I'm doing. Kill me now. Because I'm gonna have to do this for both. It's 1 through 1. Yeah, it's -1 through 1. So it don't matter. It do not matter. Hi. I don't know if I'd be more surprised if I do it right. Or if it just still doesn't work. I don't know what to be more surprised about. So it says I'm still moving. It says I'm moving, but I'm not. I'm not moving though. What if I just make it print the Boolean? Print Boolean. Boolean? Can I do and? And Boolean. But I don't think this is right. That works. Well, yeah, it's gonna be true. Yeah. Why is it? You know what? Get is moving. Gonna on tick. I think that's it. No. Tick. Event tick. There we go. Event tick. No, it's print. Print. Moving. Okay. True. What's true? What is true? Fucking dumb. Can I add something to the string value? What can I add? Question mark? Can I convert it to text? Can I convert the boolean to text? To text. Can I make a list? List. Fuck me. Don't fuck me. You know what I mean. I'm just gonna stop. Combine. What? I don't know. Oh, I can change the fucking text color. Let's make it red. That orange works too. That still tells me if I'm getting the is moving. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right at all. Why do you say you're still moving? If you're not moving, then why are you saying you're still... If it's that or that... Wait, what are you... Print. Print string. Print string. I'm gonna print the axis value in string and then to put the text color to green so I know what the fuck's going on. Bruh. Oh. Event tick. Okay, yeah, it should not be true right now. Yeah, that literally only two options. How? Please tell me. Why does it... So... So if it equals -1 or 1, if it equals one of the two, like, if this is true, if that's true, it's gonna put out true. If they're not, if both not are... Yes, that's how an OR logic gate works. Logical. Yeah, that or that, and it should output. It should only output true. I'm gonna fucking kill somebody. I have no one to blame but myself, but I want to kill somebody. I just noticed it was plugged in wrong. I did all of this. Oh, okay. It didn't fix the bug anyway. It's still there. If moving is true, then move. Why is it? Why? Why? Oh my. If A does not equal... Oh my god, this is because I originally had controller support in mind, and now it's biting me in the ass. Fuck me. Why? Why? God. I need float. I need float. Yeah, it's a float. Okay. Equal. -1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Whoa. I'm gonna kill.
Okay.
I. Okay. 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 So that works. Well, no, because logic, I would want it to like either do it or not do it. Wait, is this waiting for? Is sprinting? Is sprinting isn't? When does it call? Is sprinting? When does it call sprinting? Hello? Start sprinting. Okay. Is moving. Before I think I can I think I know where to fix it. I think I know where to fix it. I think I know where I have to fucking start sprinting. No? Yes. Branch. I remember your branch is moving. Get it? Yes or no? And then oh. If you're moving. Okay. Tick. So event tick, print string, development only. Okay, I'm gonna make it like a very young. I'm gonna make a very weird orange. That way I know exactly. Oh, get is moving. Print it. Excuse me. Okay. That's supposed. I'm sorry? True, false. What am I scanning for? Wait. What? What? Uh. Uh. Is moving. True. Hmm. don't see why it wouldn't work on the side to side. So if it's true, I think I'm just very dumb. It's not even. Hold on, we need a. Okay, so yeah, back for it. But why aren't they the? What am I even setting to? I'm just gonna moving. Hello. Moving to, and then move. Okay. But sorry about that. My roommate just walked in. What? I'm live streaming. I am live with a mic. Why do you have to say the weirdest shit? Why is it only ever when I'm recording that you say the weirdest shit? Anyway, oh yeah, I need a relaunch fucking Unreal. Fucking hell. Epic FPS controller. Nom nom.
Is there anyone watching?
I don't know what the fuck is this. Why is this a bill? Why isn't this a bill? Break pen. That works. So this will set. And then there's a couple ways I can do this without it being so. What? Why are you still? You know, kill yourself. Not you. That I should not have said that. Is there anyone even? Hold on. There was one person watching. There was one person watching, but they saw my insanity and left. Womp womp. Womp womp indeed. Wait. Wait. I don't fucking know what I'm doing anymore. The fuck is the GitHub at? I can't fucking fix it. I don't know how. This will not be worked on. I'm wasting too much time. Hell, I don't even remember what I wanted to add to this. Oh shit, I remember. I wanted to... I wanted to fucking... Where the hell was that interaction engine? Don't mind me. How to make an interaction engine in Unreal Blueprint. Unreal Engine 5. I mean, Yo, it's him. Okay. Yeah, I trust this. I trust this man. I trust this man right here. Maybe not with my life, but I definitely trust this man. Funny thing is, Matt Esplin.
If you're a complete beginner in Unreal...
Whoa, that's his voice. That's his face. I don't even know. Where at? YouTube.
The future of your business is here. With Wix, you get advanced AI capabilities.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. So in today's video, what we're going to be going over is covering Blueprint.
Hold on. Don't kill me, guys. Don't kill me. Okay, please. BRB. Oh, shit. let's continue. Fuck. Okay. What is this for? Stamina bar. Stamina bar. I know there's another bug where if you just spam. Hey, you done? If you just spam the button for sprinting, it just regenerates the hell out of your stamina. Which I think I know how I can fix. I think I know what. Hold on. E. I just want to keep this all documented. Cause Fellas, is it gay to see? I think not. But I'm gonna put it down as special movement. So I can just expand it later without having to add more. And I'll put it somewhere. Okay, let's do inter. This looks very familiar to one of my friends' development from what you've showed me. I don't know why I did that.
Interfaces, and more specifically how to use them to interact. Now these can be used for absolutely anything, not just interacting, but that is the main thing I'm going to be covering today as just an example to show how these work. So let me hit play and show what we're going to make today. Very simply, we're just going to create something which will allow us to interact with and open and close this door you see here, and we're doing this via blueprint interfaces, not doing it in the door blueprint itself. This just makes it a lot more efficient and a lot better for us and a lot easier to expand upon further down the line in our game as well. So this is what we'll be going over and creating today. So without further ado, let me delete this code and I'll show you how I've done it. And once again, like I say, this can be used for anything. It doesn't have to be interacting, and if you are doing interacting, it doesn't just have to be for a door. This can be anything you want. So firstly, let's go over what a blueprint interface is. So on the documentation, it is defined as a collection of one or more functions which are name only, no implementation that can be added to other blueprints. So essentially, it's a read-only function which we can call in other blueprints to be able to interact between different blueprints. So essentially, a good way of thinking about it, it is like a better and more efficient cast.
Interesting.
So this will probably make a lot more sense when we actually start getting into using it. So let's do that now. So what we're going to do first is we're going to actually create our blueprint interface. So we're going to open up our...
Wait, blueprints. Move there. BRB. Alrighty, I'm
Our
back.
content browser. Right click, go to blueprints, not blueprint class, just blueprints here, and we're going to create a blueprint interface that you see here. I'm going to simply name this one interact interface, like so.
I'm gonna call it interaction engine because it sounds fancy. Okay. Fancy.
Opening it up straight away. The name doesn't matter too much, but I always like to put interface at the end of my name just so I know what it is. This function here, I'm just going to call interact. That is all we need to do in here. Because again, this is a read-only function. It's a read-only blueprint. We can't do anything else in here. We can't do the code. We can only name the function itself. However, we can add some inputs and outputs on here if we wanted. So you can add an input, for example, if you wanted a specific character, a controller, you wanted to input a boolean, a float, or you wanted to output a boolean or a float, or anything along those lines, you can just simply press this input button here and do it there, like so. It is that simple. And that will allow you to then transfer different data between different blueprints. But we're going to close that, as again, that's all we need to do. Then we want to open up where we want to do the code for this interface. Now this will vary for you depending on what this code is. So for me, it is an interact interface, so it's my interaction code, so I'm going to do it in my player blueprint.
I wasn't listening to his.
But we're going to close that, as again, that's all we need to do. Then we want to open up where we want to do the code for this interface. Now this will vary for you depending on what this code is. So for me, it is an interact interface, so it's my interaction code, so I'm going to do it in my player blueprint. Now you might think you then also want to do it in your door blueprint, or your car blueprint, or whatever it is you're interacting with. That's not true. You only want to use whatever's going to be firing this off. So for me, that's the player blueprint. So I'm going to go third person, blueprints, BP, third person character. And once we're in here, we just want to set up our interaction code. So what I'm going to do first is go to edit, project settings, then we're going to scroll down to input here, and we're going to create an action mapping. And I'm going to name this one interact, as that makes the most sense.
Okay, so since I'm not trying to work around the bug, which reminds me, So, since I'm not even gonna try to fix the bug anymore, I can remove half this shit. By half this, I mean I can remove all of this. I can simplify it so fucking much. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm hoping I didn't just break my entire movement script. Fuck! ¿Por qué? I just realized I'm breathing heavily into the mic like a fat ass. What breaks it? What breaks the interaction? Okay. Start spending. Oh, I can delete as moving. I have oversimplified. I've overcomplicated this code, I think. No. The other thing about it, I don't really know how to feel about my new partner. Don't get me wrong, I love her. It's just that I'm not used to the green flags. Like, I'm not used to. I don't know how to say it, but I guess I'm not used to a partner who actually, like, fully cares. I guess that's what I mean. Like, I don't know how to feel about it. Like, I don't feel like I deserve the love, if that makes sense. I don't. I don't know why. It just don't. I don't know. It just doesn't. Don't get me wrong. I love her, but like, I can't really like. Something about me doesn't want to get too attached because I don't want to get hurt again. Which, from a tertiary person view, I understand. Did I just fucking say tertiary? Third person view. From like the outside looking in, it makes sense. Like, completely makes sense because, like, at least for my logic, you got hurt and you you severely got hurt actually twice because you were a dumbass. You got hurt, and you don't want to get hurt again. And now there's another option. There's another chance, and you're still afraid from the first couple times you got hurt, and now you don't wanna. Now you don't wanna. Like, you don't wanna try because you don't want to get hurt again. Even though this person seems like they don't want to hurt you, but the last one didn't either. Last one didn't seem like that. So it's just like, do I trust? Do I not? Like, it's like, I don't know. It's just like, do you really, like, oh shit, I'm supposed to be streaming, not fucking using YouTube as my therapy. I'm sorry, guys.
As for me, I'm going to press this button and then press E, as I want it to be on my E key. This can be whatever it is for you, so E, F, or left mouse button.
Oh,
Whatever
shit.
makes the most sense for you, just input that in there. But again, for me, it's going to be the E key.
I'm sorry, that was just an option?
Then we're going to close this, back in our event graph, we're going to
Oh shit, I put it as an That's my bad. I put it as an axis mapping. Interact. We're going to the Okay.
right click and search for the action mapping we just created. So I named mine interact. Now you notice we've got interact message. That's not what we want. That's from the blueprint interface, which we're going to be using later. We want the action event interact.
Okay. Yes. Who else is here? I must check. Alright, I'm back. It was false alarm. Where the hell are we? Okay.
Here, like so. And then out of this is where we're actually going to do our interaction code.
Alright.
So I'm going to do it based upon what the player is overlapping, not what they're looking at. So I'm going to right click and get overlapping actors.
Get overlap. Okay, I didn't know that. Get.
With the class filter being simply just actor. So if we are overlapping any actors, out of the array here, we're going to get a for each loop with break. So we're going to be searching through all of the different
For each loop with break. Got it.
actors we're currently overlapping, but being able to stop this loop as well. Out of the array element, we're going to get does implement interface. The interface in here wants to be our interact interface we just created, like so. I'll explain why in a second. What we're going to do now is hold down B, left click to get a branch, with the condition being the return value, connecting that into the loop.
Whoa. Whoa.
Body there. So what we're doing is for every actor we have that the player is overlapping, we're going to check to see if it implements the interact interface. And if it does or doesn't, we're going to do different things there. And the reason why we're checking this
I think
if
I
it has the
spelled
interact
interface wrong.
interface is because we only want to try and interact with things that we can interact with. So let's say we're also overlapping a wall actor. We obviously can't interact with the wall, or I presume you can't anyway, so you don't want to try and interact with it, because that's obviously not going to work. You will most likely get an error. So we only want to do things that have this correct interface in there. So false means we obviously don't want to do anything. True means we want to interact with it.
Ooh.
So how do we now interact with the actor we're overlapping? That's very simple. We're going to come out of array element once again and get interact. This time we can get that message there under the interact interface, and then we put that into true of the branch, and that now is going to fire. Fire off this interact function
Got it.
inside of the blueprint we're currently overlapping. So this then works the same way in calling any function. It's calling it with the target being the actor we're now overlapping. And this is why it makes it a lot more efficient. Because normally what you do is you do this code or something similar to this in every single blueprint you have in the
Got it.
level that you want to interact with. Whereas here we just need to do it once in our player blueprint, and then each individual blueprint we want to interact with, we just have the specific code for that. For example, a door would be opening and closing, a car would be getting in and out, whatever it is for you, we just do the code in there and actually interacting with it in here. So it just makes it a lot more efficient. And after this, we just need to drag out of interact at the end into break there. So once we have found something to interact with, we're going to stop searching through the array, stop doing the for loop, so again makes it a lot more efficient, because otherwise we'd also be interacting with everything we're currently overlapping, which you might want to do, but I imagine you don't. For example, if you're maybe doing an inventory system, you're standing above 5 items, pressing E, you only want to pick up 1, not all 5 at the same time. So we're going to compile and save that and close it and move on to the next part, which is a lot quicker. This is now actually just firing off the interaction code. So we're going to open up the blueprint we want to interact with. So again, for my example, that is going to be a door BP here.
Marketplace. They don't fucking have anything to interact with. Well, for fuck's sake. What does this have to do with door? I'm gonna cry. You know what? That's probably too difficult. Goddamn. I'm gonna just see how.
Now, I've already set up all the code for interacting with the door as it's nice and simple. This is
This can't be that bad. Hopefully. Cube. Don't fucking tell me it's like slightly above the ground. It's in the ground. That's even worse. Literally kill yourself. Don't do that. What? I don't know what I'm doing. Static mesh actor. Hmm. Fuck. Hello. fuck? What am I doing? Lurp. Fuck, 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 fuck. Lurp. Lurp. That's left. Lurp. I'm fucked.
That's all we need to do. And all we need to do now to actually fire this off.
You know what? I'm gonna just make this thing levitate. Set.
Using the interaction code we just created is we want to go to class settings up at the top, and you notice we have interfaces, implemented interfaces, no interfaces here. So we obviously want to give it an interface.
Not class settings. No implemented interfaces. Interaction interface.
So we're going to press add and search for interact interface, the one we just created earlier, and we're going to add that on there. And now you'll notice a new tab on the left called interfaces, and we have our interact interface here. So it's our interact function. So we're going to double click that, and we're now going to get this event in here. So if you had an output, this will open it as a function. So if I were to just
This function is not marked as a blueprint capable, callable, or cannot be placed. What the fuck do you mean it can't be placed? You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? It don't. Fuck me. I need to remove it from the fucking player thing. Alright. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna pray that that interaction engine is for. Fuck. No, you know, y- y- you know, you know. I don't feel like. I guess I'm updating. I'm just gonna have to see what breaks. FPS controller, show in folder. Alright. Open GitHub because I'm about to make a commit. Pre 4.27. Hold on. Push to origin. Alright. 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 Add to archive. Best. Close it. Compress. Alright, I'm probably gonna end the stream and start it back once I finish the download. It's not like many people are watching anyway. So, ow, fuck. Okay. Adios.